Hello you guys, welcome to the Wise Woman Way. We have some onions sauteing and we're about to cut up our garlic, which I learned that from Emerald years ago on TV. We're going to take our garlic, I'm going to cut this whole entire piece of garlic clove up. Yep, we want it nicely cut up. And gotta move fast because we know we don't have too much time because we've been working all day. So let's just get this here in. Okay, so there go our garlic, nicely chopped up. Get the onion in there and the garlic. Start sauteing. And not only that, but we're gonna take a half a teaspoon here of the garlic we have here. We're gonna put that in as well. It really makes this here dish taste good. So we already have some oil in there from sun-dried tomatoes. And these are julienne cut. We're going to go ahead and put some tomato in there as well. Makes this dish nice. Yep. So we'll let that do its thing. Okay. We're ready. Here we go. All right. And you know, you guys, here is our chard we have. We already cut some up, and it's right here, as well as with some spinach, as you can see. So we're going to turn our olive up. We're going to lightly put some salt and pepper in now. Yep. Let's get a nice, soft tool to work with. Here we go. So they're sauteing nicely. Get this water ready because what's going to happen is we may need to put some water in it. It's going to give it a nice steam. So we're sauteing tomatoes, onion, and garlic. And I think we have enough spinach here. So I'll just get a little more. I can smell that garlic really good. Just get a little more and put these greens here to the side. Now, we have a little more onion left here. And I think we're going to go ahead and use that onion. And I think that's part of the onion right there. Yeah, we're going to use that. All the onion we have, we're going to use. So we're going to go ahead, throw in some of the greens. I'm going to bring it up closer so you guys can be with me every step of the way. And quickly, this is what we're doing. Just putting the spinach and stuff in. And you know, spinach and green leafy vegetables, they cook down very fast. So here, you guys, if you can see, we have another board. We normally take our lemon and roll it side to side here in order for it to be very juicy. Okay, this one we had already did it. We're just going to get a little less than half the lemon, but for sure we're going to take our lemon here. And that's a nice lemon. We're going to put all the juice in it that we possibly can to give it some acidity. Maybe we'll go ahead and use this one too, because that wasn't enough. It came out. So here we go, you guys. I think that's good right there. Just going to bring it home. Okay, so we have our onions, we have our garlic, and we have our sun-dried tomato. We're going to put just a little more oil in it. Yes, indeed. Here we have it, you guys. Okay, where is the spatula? Okay, you know, you guys, leafy greens are very, very healthy for you. And I guess everyone should know that by now. But if not, and we have this on high so we can go ahead and get it cooked down the way we want it. This is going to be delicious, you guys. Yes, indeed. What we're going to do, we're going to add a little more sun-dried tomatoes in here, you guys. Bear with me. This dish is going to be awesome. Just a little more salt. Okay. All right, you guys. I thank you for tuning in. We'll be right back to show you how it's going to look, the finished product. And this is what it's looking like now over the aisle. And we do have it up quite high because it doesn't take that long. And this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. So we'll turn our aisle down. Yep. And let it finish cooking. You guys, if you like what we do, press like, subscribe, and share. Be well, be wise, and always think higher in any situation. Ashe.